Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. This week, by the way, this is why you definitely need to have your notifications turned on, because this week I'm uploading every single day. I'll tell you what my schedule is just in case you want to have a little sneaky preview of what's to come. Mommy don't know. By the way, I'm absolutely breaking out in spots. I'm not live, laugh, loving right now. So you'll have seen yesterday's video, I did an unboxing of the Revolution and Grinch calendar. Obviously today I'm going to be reviewing and doing a little tutorial with the Revolution and Plastic Boy collection, which is really exciting. Tomorrow I'm going to do a full reveal of the Revolution Ultimate Lights collection, which is like their Christmas collection. And then the day after I'm going to do a review. And then the day after that I'm going to do the Superdrug Advent Calendar unboxing, the Revolution one, and I've got something exciting to share in that video. And then the day after that I'm going to be doing a Cherries haul. And then after Cherries I'm going to be doing a full face of testing Revolution Pro, which I've had filmed for like weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, so I'm finally going to put that up on Saturday, and then I don't know what I'm going to put up on the Sunday yet. I'll work that out when I'm home, because I'm going to be in London Wednesday, Thursday and Friday for work for Revolution, so I'm not going to be at home. So I've literally pre-filmed. The only one that I need to pre-film tomorrow will be testing Ultimate Lights. Yeah, I'm working really really making sure that everything is ready for whilst I'm away in London. Let's get into this collection. So Revolution have teamed up with Gary Thompson. I don't know what happened there, aka the Plastic Boy here on social media, and obviously they have teamed up together to bring out their own collection, and I'm going to show you everything, and we're going to try it on. This collection, by the way, is a very Lucy collection. Like, this is very night out, sexy, like what I would probably reach for, like prior to like me doing YouTube where I would do like loads of colourful looks now, which I would never have done before. This would be like the palette that I would have been like, for a bit of me. Like that new hooded palette, I've just bought that, it's like over on my desk over there. I couldn't stop thinking about that palette, and that's how I feel about this collection. It's just a bit of me. And today's video is even more exciting because I am collabing with my bestest friend, my bestest YouTuber friend ever, Makeup with Alex Kate. If you haven't followed her on YouTube yet, what are you doing? I adore this person with every single fibre of me. I've met her like twice now. Is it twice? No, 3 times now. And I just absolutely, we actually have matching friendship rings now. She has the same ring in silver. I just honestly adore her, like absolutely adore her, and she grafts so hard on her YouTube. Like she literally deserves the world and more. And we had a lovely comment the other day where somebody said like it's really nice to see like another YouTuber like really supporting another one. Like I would literally walk on hot coals for that girl. I adore her. Let's just get straight into it. So obviously this is the palette. This is just what it looks like. I absolutely love this, and I know Alex is going to love it as well, because we always ask for more mattes in palettes, and this one gives it to us. So it has a row of shimmers and then all of the rest are mattes. So absolutely love it, and I love that it's laid out like that as well, because it's just very very clear. It's £12, $15, €12.99 or 24 Australian dollars. So that is the Forever Flawless palette. There's also a highlighter in the collection which just looks like this. You can see I've had my grubby hands on it already. And the highlighter retails for £8, $12, €9.99 or 16 Australian dollars, and look at it. It's beautiful. It's definitely, I think it's definitely going to be too dark for mine and Alex's complexion. Oh my god, yeah, definitely. But that is beautiful. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely going to be too dark for us, so we could use this obviously as a eyeshadow instead. There's also a primer in the collection. This is the Skin Adhesive primer, and it says on the back, Ultimate Hold Primer to keep makeup snatched all day. And this is what it looks like. Honestly, the packaging, the gold, it's just very Lucy vibes. Like I think Gary's absolutely nailed this collection. £12 for the primer, $15, €12.99 or 24 Australian dollars. And then the thing that made me think, oh my god, this collection is perfection, are the lip kits. You know, you all know I absolutely love like a lipstick combo, and these are actually lip kits that have a lip liner, a normal lipstick, like not like a matte liquid lipstick one, a normal lipstick in it, and a lip gloss, and it comes in 2 different shades. We have Almond Macchiato and then we have Hazelnut Macchiato. And obviously you're getting 3 products in here, and it retails for £12, $15, €12.99 or 24 Australian dollars. So this, it's just sexual. Obviously I've already opened it, took the wrapper off as soon as it came. I was like, swatcheroo, thank you very much. I need to see what it's like. So yeah, it comes with a lip liner. Let me just do swatches, which just looks like this. Oh. Oh, Ooh, it smells really nice. Don't know what it smells like, but it smells really nice. And obviously, if you did want to buy both of the lip kits, you can just mix and match, obviously, the lip products anyway. And if you are new to my channel, I do have a discount code. It's up on the screen now for you to get 20% off Revolution's website, US, UK and Australian one. So yeah, if you want to save yourself some money, I don't make any pennies off it, but it just helps to save you some moolah. Please use it, because the more that we use it, the more they'll keep renewing the code for us. But this is what the lip little set looks like, the darker one. That is what the lip liner looks like. So this one is definitely a lot more like richer and deeper. That is the lipstick. Again, you can see that the lipstick is lighter than the lip liner, which is what I would normally go for again. And then let's go for the gloss. This one has the same smell to it. And then that is what the gloss looks like. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. But yeah, anyways, let's get into trying all this out and let's put it on my face. So taking some of my trusty Revolution Super Base Eye Primer, I'm going to pop this on my eyes, and then because I don't really have many clean brushes left, I need to do like a really like big clean through my brushes. I'm just going to use a sponge to blend it out. And then this is what it looks like up close. I think I want to go more for like these orangey tones and go for this ochre. I can't do that, but go for like them kind of shades. So I'm going to take just a Revolution angled brush that I got from a Christmas gift set, and I think I'm going to start with the really like orangey colour, this one here. So this one is okay, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to pack this in this outer corner and then all the way through the crease. Oh wow. Okay, she pigmented. Oh, that's what it's called as well. Okay. So I've just like very lightly just buffed out the edges with the same brush, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Madness, which is like the lighter orangey colour. So I'm going to take a Spectrum B06 brush and I'm going to use that. Oh, she is pigmented. Tap off the excess. Wow. Okay, these shadows are not messing about. Like, they are so pigmented, but okay, I'm just going to blend out. Wow. My God, they are so pigmented. Wow. So obviously I want to deepen up this outer corner, and I think I'm going to go in with the shade Rocked, because it's kind of like got that orangey twang to it, so it matches the other colours. So I'm going to take that just on a like smaller angled brush, and I'm going to focus that in the outer corner here. Oh my God, okay, I'm obsessed with how this is looking. Obviously I have gone like more orangey. You don't have to do this, you can go more like neutrally, more brownie toned, but I just thought, you know what, most people when they review this palette might go that way, so why don't I do the orange? And it's a little bit something different, you know what I mean? So I do want to deepen up just a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with the shade Purr, which is the black, oh, dropping things, black in the palette, and just going in with that same brush that I've been using, and I'm going to put this more like really tight, like to, oh, that's really pigmented, to the lash line. Okay, that has just really made it for me, that black along the lash line. Beautiful. You could definitely do, because it's so pigmented, you could definitely do like a smoky winged liner with this because it has the pigment there. Yeah, really happy with this so far. So I'm going to go in with ochre, which is this one here. Obviously, yeah, I could go in with this one to further blend out my edges, but I don't really feel like I need it, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to go in straight with my Shim Shim. I'm going to pop this on my, oh my God, stop. No way. Is that a joke? Is that a joke? Is you joking me? And like, I'm barely picking any up, and it's just, Gary, you've nailed it. God. Wow. Oh my God, I'm so good that I went for orange tones. Carly, I hope you like this tutorial, because this is just you in a tutorial again. Oh my God. So I'm going to take a little bit of The Moment, which is like a darker orangey colour. Just a little bit of that. Why is he putting this? Wow. And I'm just going to take just a tiny little bit of it. Oh my God, that is stunning. I'm just going to take like a little flat packing on brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade, is it Mavis? This one here. I just want to see what this one swatch is like. I know I'm not using it on my finger. Oh my God. Oh, I cannot cope. The pigment. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God. I keep saying that over and over, and I'm really sorry, but I am just generally gobsmacked. So, oh, I'm just popping that in my inner corner. Okay, so that is the eyes done so far. Let's pop on the primer. So this is just what it looks like, and it comes with a pump. Let's rub this primer in. Okay, so it's like really absorbing into the skin like really quickly, which is really nice. Doesn't really have like, well, I don't think it has any scent to it at all. I can't smell anything. But it actually feels quite hydrating, this formula, because like my forehead was so dry then, and I could just feel it get like as if it was soaking it all up. I don't know if that makes any sense. It's sticky. Wow. Okay, this will make your makeup last for longer because it's sticky. It does remind me a little bit of that Space one that I've tried recently, but it's definitely different because that Space one from the Cosmic Trip collection, which I've done a full review and I'll leave it linked down below if you want to go check it out. But they're definitely not the same, but I feel like the Space one maybe was like just a tiny bit more like hydrating. Okay, so I'm going to pop on the rest of my base makeup. We'll come back and we'll try one of the lip kits. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to try the highlighter just because it is going to be too dark for my complexion. But yeah, let me put on my face and be back in a second. So I put my base on, and now it's a hard decision of which of the lip kits to go for. I'm going to go for the dark one because this one I know that I'll reach for in other videos, whereas this one I have to have like a certain look for me to go for a darker one. So yeah, let's go in with Hazelnut Macchiato. Let's go in the lip liner. Oh, this spot's really upsetting me, but what can you do? So I'm going to use this to line all of my lip. Yeah, I'm just finding the formula just like a little bit hard to like get out. I don't know if that makes any sense. Okay, I feel like that's best I'm going to get lip liner wise. Let's go in with the lipstick, which I'm so excited for. So let's hot this bad boy on. You can tell this is going to be one of them lipsticks that last. You when the lipstick's like creamy, but you know that it's not like too creamy where it's going to move about loads. This is literally it. Oh, beautiful. Let's go in with the lip gloss next. I don't know what this smells like, but it smells so nice. And then let's pop this. Oh, stunning with my love glue gun in. But yeah, this is the finished look. I would love to know what you think down below. Let's do a little product roundup just very, very quickly. First of all, the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, the pigment in this palette is unbelievable. Like, Gary absolutely nailed it. Wow, pigment, like the shimmers. Ooh, I can hold it up straight. The shimmers are just... Primer was hydrating but really, really sticky, which is going to make your foundation last. It's going to make that foundation just... They're going to make a baby. They're going to be together forever. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. Now, as for the lip combination, the lip liner, I just really struggled with it. Yeah, it was just a bit hard. I feel like I really had to press down to get it to how I want it. The lipstick and the lip gloss is worth all the pennies. Like, it's worth it. Even if you don't really use the lip liner that much, I would buy this lip kit just for these two. Absolutely stunning. Like, stunning. The packaging's beautiful. I love that it's magnetic. I love the smell of this. I don't know what it is, but it smells so nice. You can't smell it when it's on. You can just smell it when you're like applying it and like sniff it. But you can't smell it when it's on your actual lips, which is really good because that annoys me sometimes. Like, I don't want to smell that all day. Unbelievable. Really excited to try the lighter one because this would be more like what I would actually wear on a day-to-day basis. Thank you so much for watching. If you're wondering, by the way, what mascara I have on, it's still this one. I have been obsessed with this, the Game of Thrones Revolution mascara. Please don't forget to go check out Alex's and hit subscribe. I will leave it linked down below as well for you to go check it out. And I will see you tomorrow for a full reveal on the Revolution Ultimate Light Christmas collection. Love you so much. Thank you to my patrons for being so loving and supportive, and I will see you tomorrow.